The Dong Cheng Cordless Drill Driver DCJZ05-13 is a screwdriver and drill with two modes. Under normal environmental conditions suitable for screwing and unscrewing screws, drilling operations can be carried out on wood, metal, plastic, and so on. Features of cordless drill driver DCJZ05-13. No load speed. First gear 0-550/min. Second gear 0-2000/min. Maximum chucking capacity 13 mm. Maximum screw DIA 10 mm. Max drilling DIA steel 513 mm. Brick wall 513 mm. Wood 538 mm. Torque setting 22+2. Maximum torque 60 N.m. Motor brushless motor. 3 functions: drill/screwdriver/impact drill. It also have 2 pieces of 4.0H battery plus 1 piece of charger and a plastic case packing. Email us today at sales@gz-supplies.com or visit our website www.gzsupplies.com for more of Dong Cheng products.